Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So what I'll be doing today is one I've done before. Time to repeat it, but I'm going to make a few changes. I'm going to do what I just think looks sort of like a galactic nebula. That's why I said we're going to go to space this week. If the billionaires can do it, we should be able to as well. So for the space, the black, I'll be using my regular activated charcoal from Nurture Soap. And then my accent colors, I'll be using Brambleberries, Nuclear Orange. Very, very sadly, I'm almost out. This is the best vibrant orange. My camera won't pick up how vibrant this is. Brambleberry doesn't sell it anymore. It's been discontinued. I've never been able to find another one. But I have enough for this. So orange. I'll also be using Brambleberry's Electric Bubblegum Pink and Nurture Soap's Neon Green. Those will be our accent colors. I'll be fragrancing this with Brambleberry's Galactic Skies. This is an awesome smelling fragrance. Love this. And I'm just going to do, what am I going to do? What do I call it? In the pot swirl. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm soaping at about 94 degrees. I said I was going to do something different. The last time I did this, I did not have enough accent color soap. And the accent colors just showed up here and there. So I'm going to be using more batter for the accent colors. So let's bring this to a light emulsification. That looks good to me. So for our 3 accent colors, I'm going to pour off approximately 400 milliliters, which is right there, just below half. So let me get this one right at 400 so I can kind of eyeball the other 2. I can't see it now. Nope. A little bit more, just a tad more. That is good. So let me use that as a guide eyeball. Our third one. And I'm going to set those aside for the moment and out of the way. While I start with the black space. So I'm going to gently stir this in just to get it mixed. let's work on our 3 accent colors. These will be unscented because the fragrance oil discolors to a purple. Supposedly, according to Brambleberry, the picture they show doesn't look very purple, but I'm not going to risk it. So normally these pigments really should be dispersed in oil, but I'm going to do a moderate amount of stick blending, so I'm not terribly concerned about it. Oh, I'm so sad to see the rest of this go. I have enough for about one more. So there's our orange. Let's do our pink. And finally, our green. I'm about out of this too. So, I am going to stick blend these, lightest to darkest, which I'm kind of assuming would be the green is the lightest. Orange. And finally, our pink. And now, let's set these out of the way and get our base ready. And I think the consistency looks pretty good, so I'm going to be careful with the fragrance because it does accelerate a little bit. I didn't have much trouble the last time, but I'm also soaking a little on the warm side. Just a very quick hit. I also think an In the Pot swirl has better lines and swirls when it's just a little tiny bit thick. Alright, that's all I dare do. And And around the perimeter one time, down the center, and stop. And let's get this into the mold. Since these colors are behaving, because these are uncolored, or excuse me, unfragranced, I'm just going to kind of randomly get these on top. And we're going to put a little bit of Galactic glitter on the top. This always seems to cover up the really pretty top when it's wet, but as soon as it saponifies, I'm always really happy with it. So you're not going to necessarily see the pretty top right now, but when it saponifies, you will. So that's what I have for today. Now this is behaving very well. Of course, those accent colors are unscented, but even the base is behaving, especially for one that supposedly accelerates, and I'm a little on the warm side. So, really happy with this. I have a little bit left over. I'll just pour into a mold, and I'll use that for confetti or for embeds for a hot process. And I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye. And we are back to cut our soap. I'm feeling pretty good about it. A nice colorful top. Of course, shiny, slick glass sides. And the last time I made this, I did not put enough accent color in it, so I put more in, and I'm feeling really good about that. Of course, the accent color is unscented, so that means more unscented soap, but this fragrance is pretty strong. I think it's going to be scented well enough, just like it is, so let's do what we're here for. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is going to be a lot better than the last one. Oh yeah. Well, I think it is. Of course, that was an M piece. Let's wait and see. Now we're starting to get into some colors. Still not quite what I was expecting. This is not what I planned. That's a little more what I was planning. Maybe this log will be better. I don't know why one half would be different from the other, but we'll see. But this one is. This is more like what I was expecting. Isn't that strange? Well, these are colorful and fun, but not quite what I was wanting. But hey, that's soap. And that happens. But these do have more color than the last one I made. So, y'all have a great rest of your weekend, and thanks for watching, and stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I should see you next week. Okay, everybody, bye.